Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I got this John Deere Gator HPX 4x4 that I got off Craigslist for free to work without having to spend $120 for a battery. This is something you could do yourself, save yourself some money, or you could just do it as a temporary fix. Now the battery goes up front under this little latch. This is where the battery would normally be, and this wiring over here, I should have saved the battery. I pulled this out of the battery itself. Some of it's hardwired right to the unit, and this piece over here is from the battery. I connected a wire to this, simply ran it under the Jeep. I have it tied underneath. Drilled a hole back here, pulled the wires through, and for the time being I just looped it around to the back. This John Deere Gator has a dump function, which we're not going to use right now. I'm using one of my lawn tractor batteries, and that's an inner tube from a tire that's holding it in place right now. I have to get a permanent fix for this, but for now I was able to check it out before I spent the money for a battery.
Let's see if it works.
Okay.
Get in. Okay, get in. Come back this way. Back it up. Stop.
Hey, why are you not turning?
Oh, the pin came out.
Pin?
Yeah, something broke over there. Okay.
Now that we took care of this minor fix, Johnny's back on his way. Well guys, I hope this video was of help, that it helped you to see how you could check out one of these toys before you lay out the money for one of the batteries. If you found the video useful or entertaining, let me know by posting your comments right down here below. Be sure to give it a like, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe. So keep rolling, and until next time, stay safe.